Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the amazing Z908 Pro Drone Professional. This incredible quadcopter toy gift is a must-have for any drone enthusiast or anyone looking to explore the wonders of aerial photography. The Z908 Pro Drone Professional is equipped with a 4K HD camera and features optical flow localization and three-sided obstacle avoidance, making it perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage without any interruptions. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this drone offers a seamless flying experience with its remote control frequency of 2.4 GHz and 4 channels. The remote control function allows for one-key takeoff, landing, ascending, descending, left and right steering, and even 360-degree rolls. Additionally, the aerial app function provides features such as one-key takeoff, landing, photo and video recording, face recognition, and even trajectory flight, with the ability to adjust the camera remotely and the lens angle. You have full control over the aerial shots you capture. Not only does the Z908 Pro Drone Professional offer outstanding performance, but it is also designed with convenience in mind. The foldable design allows for easy storage and transportation, while the 15-minute flight time ensures that you have ample time to capture breathtaking footage. With a remote control distance of 200 meters and image return distance of 50 to 80 meters, you can explore far and wide with peace of mind. The 3.7 volts 2000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting power and can be easily charged via USB in just 60 minutes. We are thrilled to offer this amazing drone through the Austerity official store on AliExpress. As a valued customer, you can take advantage of our wholesale options and drop shipping services. Additionally, by becoming a follower of our store, you can access exclusive coupons and promotions while also having the chance to receive free gifts with your purchases. If you are ready to elevate your photography and videography with the Z908 Pro Drone Professional, simply click the link in the description to order yours today. Thank you for watching, and happy flying.